Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I'm going to explain how to send large files in Gmail using Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, open your browser and enter the URL www.gmail.com. Then log into your Gmail account. So once you log into your Gmail account, then you can see the interface like this. Now to send an email, over here you can see the option compose. So click on the compose option. Once you click on the compose option, you can see the pop-up like this. Now enter the email ID of the recipient to whom you want to send an email. So in my case, I'm selecting this email ID, then enter the subject. So I'm adding some sample text here, then enter some text in the body. Now I want to add an attachment. So to add an attachment, over here you can see the option attach files. So click on the attach files. Now select the file from your local drive. So over here, you can see I want to send one video to recipient. So I'm selecting this video, then click on open. So over here, you can see the message. My file size is larger than 25 MB. As Gmail only allows the file size of 25 MB. Now this file will be uploaded to your Google Drive. So wait for some time. Over here, you can see the progress. So first of all, this file is uploaded to the Google Drive. Now I am sending this file to the recipient. Now click on the send. So once you click on the send, the Gmail will ask you, someone needs access to this video because you have uploaded this video to the Google Drive. So recipient must have some access to view this file. So if you can see, so this is the email ID of the recipient to whom I want to send an email. So these are the different types of access that you can provide to the recipient. Now I just want to provide a view access to the user. So I'm selecting viewer and click on send. And over here you can see the message sent. So in this way you can send large files in Gmail using Google Drive. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.